Hi, in front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 9T, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. Firstly, go into settings and scroll down. Now you need to select passwords and security and click on face unlock. Enter your current login method and tap on next after 5 seconds. Now select done, and then when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!